Welcome to the ARKitchen app tutorial. In this session, we'll explore the different design modes available in the app, discuss when each mode is best used, and provide some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your kitchen design experience. So whether you're starting from scratch, refurbishing an existing kitchen, or wanting your own unique layout, ARKitchen has you covered. First, let's discuss the classic AR mode. The classic AR mode is the original design feature of the ARKitchen app, perfect for users looking to design a completely new kitchen. Start by entering the dimensions of your room. Then select a cabinet style and layout. With just a few taps, you can generate your kitchen design right away. This mode is ideal for greenfield projects where you want to create a brand new kitchen space. One pro tip: once the kitchen has been generated, you can place your design onto your floor, press the Real Scale Mode button, then enlarge it to real life size, allowing you to visualize your kitchen as if it's already built. Next, we'll move on to the Room Scan mode. The Room Scan mode is a powerful tool that allows you to scan your current floor plan, including your existing kitchen. This feature is especially useful for those who want to refurbish their kitchen while keeping the same layout. To use this mode, simply walk around the room holding your phone camera to scan the space. This mode makes it easy to track any room layouts, but please note that it requires a pro device for accurate scanning. To begin, follow the on-screen instructions to point your device's camera at the top of the wall, then the bottom, and so on. Simply walk around the room while holding your phone camera to scan the space. Here's a pro tip to keep in mind. Think of your camera as a paintbrush. The more you paint or scan the same area, the more detailed and accurate the 3D model will be. For the kitchen area, we recommend moving back and forth over the same wall line a few times to capture as much detail as possible. Pay special attention to the corners of your kitchen. Scanning these areas in detail will result in a more accurate scan. Once the scan is complete, save it and switch to 3D design mode. Here you'll see blue boxes representing your kitchen layout. Simply click on a blue box, select a cabinet style, and choose Auto Generate to automatically place cabinets in your design. The yellow boxes represent appliances. Simply tap on them to place appliances. You can then customize the textures, change cabinet, and adjust other details to match your vision. Now, let's explore the new template mode. The new template mode offers a variety of templates to help you get started with your design. Whether you're looking for inspiration or need a starting point, this mode provides a range of options to choose from. Finally, let's take a closer look at the 2D design mode. For users who want to design a highly customized kitchen with a unique layout, the 2D design mode is the way to go. This mode allows you to control every aspect of your kitchen's design, ensuring that it perfectly fits your space. In 2D design mode, you can easily adjust the size of your room by moving the endpoints of the lines that define the walls. This allows you to create a room layout that accurately reflects your space. You can also click on a line to split it, enabling you to create additional corners within your design. This feature is especially useful for creating more complex and unique room shapes. Now, let's talk about adding windows and doors. To add windows and doors, simply tap on a wall line. This feature lets you incorporate essential room elements into your design, ensuring that your kitchen layout works seamlessly with your existing space. Next, let's move on to the cabinet selection and placement. Tap on the left icon to open up the cabinet selection menu. From here, you can choose and place cabinets one by one into your design. This gives you full control over the placement and arrangement of each cabinet. For those planning to use 3D mode later, here's a tip. You can also select Cabinet Boundary Box to place into the room. These boxes are used by the 3D design mode where they enable automatic cabinet generation. Finally, let's consider the upper layer and lower layer options. The upper layer and lower layer options allow you to focus specifically on the upper or lower cabinets. This feature gives you precise control over each section of your kitchen, making it easier to achieve your desired layout. One last pro tip to wrap up. Save your design, especially if you plan to create multiple versions. This ensures that you can easily return to previous designs and compare different layouts. That wraps up our tutorial for today. We've covered the key design modes in the ARKitchen app, including Classic AR mode, Room Scan mode, and 2D design mode. Remember to experiment with each mode to see which works best for your project. We hope this tutorial has provided you with the knowledge and confidence to design your dream kitchen. If you have any questions, you can email us anytime by pressing the question mark button. Happy designing!